BMW M4 is a sporty coupe, while the M3 is a practical sedan for weekday commuting. With its most sporty brand, BMW has gone all out for the 2027 model year. The brand new 2027 BMW M4 code ZA2 is more daring and contentious than its predecessor, the M3, which keeps the gasoline option. The 4-motor, all-electric Neue Klasse. Coupes of this era are out to demonstrate that internal combustion engines are only the beginning. There will no longer be a G82 with the divisive bucktooth grille, as if carved from a single billet of aluminum. The 2027 BMW M4 takes on a breathtakingly simple digital wedge profile. There is a brand new vision face on the front end. Rather than serving as air intakes, the kidney grills now serve as 3D see-through panels that house sensors and headlamps. For optimal aerodynamic efficiency at high speeds, these screens can transform visuals, wink at pedestrians, or turn totally opaque. The back fenders are enormous. Active breathing vents, in contrast to their predecessors, open to cool the rear engine while racing and close to lessen drag while on the road. If you're looking for a roof with a real, hard-top sensation when the windows are down, go no further than this one-piece electrochromic glass that blends into the back deck. When it comes to acceleration, the 2027 BMW M4 completely disregards the rules of physics. An M4 Competition X-Drive, the top trim level, features 4 separate electric motors, one for each wheel. What is its overall production? An alarming 341 horsepower, or 1 megawatt. It gets to 60 mpl in under 2.5 seconds, thanks to its immediate torque at all 4 corners and lack of drive shafts to turn, like being slammed from behind by a bullet train. That's how violent the acceleration is. All 4 wheels are autonomously controlled by BMW's brand new Heart of Joy computer system. The vehicle can be maneuvered around tight curves with greater precision than a go-kart, thanks to its ability to reverse the left wheel and advance the right wheel. Reversing a skid before your brain registers it is an eerie sensation. BMW is well aware that M4 drivers love the rush that comes from rapid acceleration. It was therefore mimicked. There are shift paddles attached to the steering wheel. Instead of altering speeds, which is impossible with these paddles, you may mimic the audible thud of a dual-clutch transmission by interrupting torque supply. Although it may seem like a novelty, it actually provides the much-needed rhythmic reference point for your brain during racing. Hans Zimmer is back with a rumble of a score. As you get close to 10,000 RPM, you'll hear a metallic turbine noise that mimics the mechanical din of a race engine and makes the seats vibrate. We lost the dashboard. Panoramic vision has taken its place. Across the bottom half of the windshield, you can see critical driving metrics like lap times, engine RPM, and speed. You can only see the top of the corner. You never glance down. One red boost button is located on a tiny rectangular controller that is housed within the steering wheel. When you press it, you'll have full power for 10 seconds, which will make the interior lights glow a terrifying magma red.